Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by finding every instance of the phrase, only way so you know the scope. Use a global search, grep, Ctrl+F, or your editor, because partial matches matter. Once done, make a backup or commit to version control. You need a restore point. Also decide whether replacements are case-sensitive or must preserve punctuation. This step saves time and prevents regressions, and it lets you choose whether to replace with a synonym, rephrase for tone, or apply programmatic changes across many files. You now perform the replacements carefully. Start by changing a small sample to verify the result. Use rejects to match word boundaries so you don't alter substrings. \b only way \b or escape spaces as needed, because accuracy prevents errors. Once validated, run a scripted replace. Sed, Perl, or an IDE's batch replace, and preserve capitalization rules if required. Make sure to log every file changed and include a brief commit message, because this documentation makes review and possible rollbacks straightforward. Finish by validating every changed file, run tests, build the project, or proofread content to confirm the new wording fits context and grammar. If something breaks, revert to your backup or use version control to cherry-pick fixes. This is faster than manual hunting. Make sure to refine problematic instances by hand. Finally, document the change in your changelog and notify stakeholders so everyone knows why only way was replaced and how to proceed. If problems persist, search for residual occurrences and review commit history.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.